Hey everyone! In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a realistic pirate skull and crossbones. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our realistic pirate skull and crossbones, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to curve down. And then I'm going to make it kind of jagged, and then we're going to bring it down. See, it just kind of curve down, up, and then down. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. And then I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to curve it out, back in, and up. Right up here, I'm going to make a couple little broken lines above it. Then a couple little broken lines around it, and we're going to curve them around here. Next, I'm going to draw another little line. It's just going to curve down and up to here. And then this one, I'm going to make a line that's just going to come over. Then I'm going to come down and then back up here, and that's going to be like where the eye patch is. Next, right between the eyes, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and up like a V. Then I'm going to kind of curve this line down and in, and this line down and then in. We're going to bring this up and then down. I'm going to curve a little broken line around each side. You can leave little breaks in there. That'll give it a little bit more of like a realistic look. I'm going to bring a little line up here. And then we're going to make a little line that goes down and kind of breaks over here. Next, we're going to make some lines that come down. And let's make two little lines here. Next, starting here, we're going to come out for the cheekbone. We're going to go down, and then we're going to come in. Same thing on this side. We're going to come out. We're going to go down, kind of up, and then down again. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. Just kind of start up and bring it down. We'll kind of take it out a little bit on each side. We're going to bring this line down, and let's just make some little bumpy lines. They're just going to connect from one end to the next. Next, let's add some teeth. So I'm going to draw a little line that comes down. We're going to curve this line down and connect. And then we'll curve this line down and connect. We'll make another one down and over. Go down and over. Down and over. And down and over. See, we kind of made them look like they're behind each other. And I'll make one more skinny one on each side that just kind of looks like it's back there. Next, I'm going to make a line down here. I'm going to curve this up, and I'm going to curve this up for some teeth. We'll go down and up, and we'll do that same thing, down and up, down and up, down and up, and then one more, down and up, and then down and up here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down and in, and same thing here, we'll start here, we'll just go down and kind of bring it right by the teeth. We're going to bring a line down on each side. And then we're going to bring this line kind of straighter down. We'll bring this in at an angle on each side. And then we're going to bring this down at an angle. Then we're going to bring this across here. Then we're going to make some broken lines here. And then we're going to make little broken lines kind of right above the teeth. And also let's do that same thing kind of right below it. Little broken lines. Then we'll put a couple little extra lines up here. Then next, I'm going to bring this line down a little farther. We're going to come over and then bring it up here. I'm going to start here and just make some little lines that are going to come down. A little bit of detail on the jaw. And a couple more little detail lines. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to bring this line up. Then I'm going to bring this line out, and we're going to bring this line out. Next, I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve across, and that'll be the part of the bandana. And then we're going to make a line here, and a line here for the strap. And then a line here, and a line here for the strap. And then right here, let's kind of curve this down, and then come down at an angle. Same thing here, down and down at an angle for a little bit of detail on our skull. Next, starting here, let's bring this line up and in. Same thing here, kind of bring this line up and in. We'll do a couple more little lines on each side. Bring this kind of up and in here. And we're going to bring this line up and then kind of down. You see, I didn't want it super smooth. I just kind of went and made it a little bit bumpy here. And what I like to do is kind of extend some of these lines coming across. Next, let's make a line that's going to come out and then down. Another one's going to kind of go down and back here with a couple extra lines, and that'll be the knot for the bandana. Next, let's draw the little ties, and I'm just going to make a line that's going to come down here and then up. We'll make another one that's going to be a little bit shorter, just kind of come down and up. And then we'll make just kind of like some long broken lines on here. Just kind of give it a little bit of detail for the fabric. Now the last thing I want to do is I want to kind of put some bones across here. So let's start right here, and I'm just going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come up. We'll make it kind of curvy and down. We'll make a little bump and down, and a little one's going to kind of curve around here. Then we're going to bring this down. And then to kind of make this line up, what I like to do is just kind of like put my marker right here, and I'm just going to kind of hover over this at an angle. And I'll start here, make a little mark. Do the same thing here, kind of just hover, 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 and then just make a little mark. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come out here and make it kind of curvy. Another bumpy line here and another one here. And we'll just kind of curve in. Then I'll put like a couple little curved lines on here. And then a couple little wiggly lines here. And then a few extra broken lines and some spots, just to give it a little bit of detail. Next, up here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. I'm going to curve this around. Make a little bump here and kind of curve this around. Bring this up, and bring this line down. Now I'm going to put a couple little curved lines on here. And then I'll do the same thing, just kind of hover, hover, hover. And we're going to bring this one down. Hover, 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 and just kind of bring this line down. Then I'm just going to make kind of like some more bumpy, kind of curvy lines. There's no really wrong way to do this. Just kind of make it real bumpy and jagged. And then we're just going to put some lines here. And a couple little lines here. And there you go. There is your realistic drawing of a pirate skull. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.